Alrighty, everybody. Steve Hughes here again, working on some Chapter 5 homework. Just want to jump in here and have some fun with you guys today. We are going to start working on some homework. As I said, we're going to start with solving a proportion of the form x equals a, x over a equals b over c. So you can see here, I've taken this directly from the homework in Alex. The first step is to solve for x. So what did we do? The first thing I did, everybody, was to cross multiply. That's step one. So I take my equation, 8 over 3 equals 13 over x. I cross multiply. It gives me 8x equals 13 times 3. All right, that's step one. You can see that right here. All right, second, like it says, divide by the coefficient. So divide both sides by 8. And you get x equals 13 times 3 divided by 8. And your answer there is 4.9. If you click on the cell itself, you guys can see I have rounded it off to the nearest tenth. And it's 13 times 3 divided by 8, comma 1 in the round function. It's going to round to the nearest tenth. And we're going to be done, guys. That's it. Cheers. Have fun. We'll catch you in a bit.